Every day brings new light to help us on our way. Always taking my breath, whether sun or rain. The wind will carry us over, that horizon we see is getting closer. This is why we live for moments like this.
Hi, welcome to video number 6. In this video, you'll see us working on the water system. Hopefully it all turns out okay and we have no leaks. Long day, we're trying out the water. Torin helped you get it finished. Here we go. Let's see, sounds loud right now. Torin's filling it up, filling up the tank. We're gonna see if it has any leaks.
This way is closed.
Okay.
You got a valve down there too. That's open.
Oh, that's the main.
So that's going to go into the hot water tank.
How do you know?
Or no.
How do you know it's open?
Because it's in line. So if the valve's in line.
Oh, that's right. Thank you for that. All right. I'm glad this one is closed. I would not be testing anything other than my ability to get wet.
So how big is the tank?
25 gallons. Yeah. Ooh, it's half full. I can see it on the side of it. Oh, there you go. You can see it. Looky, looky. We have water. Oh, when we plug it in, we should turn off the water. Well, we were successful in getting water through, but we did have a few leaks. It didn't take long to fix those, except for the water filter. So for now, I'm going without a water filter until I can get that settled in. I do have water, and it's running, and it's heated, so that's awesome.